Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a shape-shifting squishy. Okay, so first you're gonna need clay, and you're gonna need some of this. We call this cellophane in our country, but I don't know what this is called in English. So yeah, you're just gonna need this, and of course scissors. Okay, so first we're gonna cut this, and then you need to put the clay inside to see how much you're gonna cut. Okay, so the clay is inside now. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it. See that? It's cutting. If you want to make more squishies, just keep this so you can make more. But if only one squishy, if you want to make, then just put this in the trash can. Okay, so I put the cellophane in the trash or whatever that thing is. Okay, so my clay is so sticky, it sticks to the whatever that is, and it sticks so hard that you can't take it off. So, and also if it's kind of hard like this, kind of rough to squish, then you could use lotion. I'm gonna put lotion because mine is so hard. Ouch. Okay, so you can use any lotion. It has to be a smooth one. I'm using this one. Okay, so you can get this much or smaller or even more. Just get whatever length you want. Just don't put too much. Okay, so you see this? You're gonna spread it in the middle. See that? I'm gonna spread it in the middle. Because that's where I'm gonna put the clay. I'm spreading it. Okay, maybe that's not that much. I'm gonna put more. Okay. Maybe this is enough. You see that? Yeah, maybe that's enough. How do I pause the though? Okay, so you're gonna get the clay and form it into a ball. I'm gonna form it into a ball.
Stupid room. Hello? Why do you keep wandering off? What are you doing snooping through the
Okay, just circle until it's perfect. Oh, that's not
why I care so much. The woman I love was falsely accused, and I'm gonna prove her innocence.
And if you want it to be more smooth, you can like put some lotion in your hand. Do it like this. Just dry it a little. Okay, now roll the bowl in your hand.
Hey, is that Abby? Abby! Everyone come over here!
Okay, I'm rolling it. You can skip this part, because I'm gonna take a while rolling this. Okay, maybe not a while, but whatever. I think that's a bowl. I don't know. I don't care. Okay, now we're just gonna put this here in the middle.
I thought someone took you. I escaped, but I have some terrible news. Follow me.
Okay. It's inside. See that? Okay. Now you can get something to tie your hair. It has to be a small one. Okay, so I'm getting this. This is what I'm gonna use. It's for tying your hair, but like the mini versions. So I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna tie it here. I'll do like a little transition. Okay, I tied it. Now, squish test. Okay, so I on the light so you can see the squish. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's a really good shape shifter squish.
Let's get started. Today, we're taking a trip to
It's so good.
I can't wait. The park is called Odd World. Sounds like fun.
So, I love it.
Hang on. Someone just turned the arrow the other way. You're right. It's supposed
Not
to
the other side.
The bus driver got tricked into going the wrong way. This isn't good.
See that?
Stop a sign.
I love it. I'm gonna like.
Huh? What does that say? Welcome. Please, I need your help.
What does that mean?
I'm not sure.
What is this place?
I actually used to have 2 of these, but the other one just disappeared. I don't know where it came.
There's more text. It says, I've lost my blocks. Can you help return them to me?
We just have to put some blocks back.
It seems that way. Oh, what's this?
Cardboard
I love it.
boxes.
You guys better try, because like it's so good. Here, take a close look.
Using.
Well, for now, let's search for those blocks and put them back.
Yep.
Something about this place is extremely creepy, Mikey.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. It just looks like an amusement park. Maybe even cute mascot characters.
Oh my god!
Might be fun.
I
I
love
hope
it.
you're right about that.
Oh my god.
Mikey, look there.
You better make this.
Right over here. See? There are claw
Try to
marks on the
copy.
floor. Don't you think that's scary?
It's so fun to squish.
No, you worry too much.
And by the way, if it smells bad, don't worry.
Don't worry so much.
Okay, so I have
Let's
perfume.
see.
You can use any perfume that smells good, and then spray it.
It seems like we have a
Try
lot
to
of
mix
blocks.
it around. Just put the perfume. And now, when you're playing with it, it smells so good.
Creepy noise.
I didn't hear anything. What are you so scared about anyway? Let's put these blocks away.
I definitely heard footsteps. We're not alone.
What? That's crazy.
Be careful, Mikey.
See that?
I definitely heard something.
I love it.
Sure of it. Whoa! Wait.
Ooh, my nail goes on the other side.
It's right behind you.
See that? That's my nail.
What is that thing? It's chasing after me.
I've been squishing this so much. But remember to follow this video, because you definitely want a squishy like this. Bye!